Hey everybody. Alright, in the last workout we did an easier version of this Granaína Ligado, okay? So this class is going to, or this workout is going to be the next level up and what's done most frequently, okay? So the big thing that I want you to be aware of is that your thumb on your fret hand stays with your hand. As you slide up to the 7th position, it's frequently very easy to leave your thumb back here and not with your hand. So keep it vertical and right behind your fingers, okay? And that's it. We're going to start at 69, and you're only going to pick once to start, and then you just all hammer on and pull off, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to take it up to like 108, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, there you go. Let me know what questions you might have on this, and we're going to get to the other Ligado work, which is going to be crazy. So, hopefully you enjoyed that. Bye-bye.